This is a recipe for vegetable fried rice. The ingredients we need will be some soy sauce, chili sauce, and Tabasco sauce, and also some cooked white rice and the vegetables that you have. Carrots, beans, and capsicum, and cut it into small pieces because we need this to cook fast and it has to be done in high heat. So take it in a pan with some butter and oil and keep it in high heat and cook it. Once it's almost cooked, then you can add the cauliflower florets. Now you can add some salt. Of course, you don't need to add salt if you're going to add a lot of soy sauce, but for me, I prefer adding some salt as well. Then in another pan, just take some cabbage, slice it thinly, and then add soy sauce and mix it well. It has to be kind of crunchy and not too soggy. So once that's done, you can keep this aside. We will add it later. Then in your vegetables, now you can add some soy sauce. If you have Tabasco sauce and chili sauce, you can also add those at this time. And then keep mixing it well. Keep the high heat so that the vegetables can cook and not get soggy. So after everything is mixed well and the vegetables are cooked, then you can add the cooked rice. So I'm using the rice which is already cooled, so it doesn't stick to each other. So preferably cook the rice well ahead of time so that it's nice and separated already. So once it's done, you can add the cabbage and then also garnish it with spring onions. And I like coriander, so I just use coriander as well. So whatever topping garnishing you need, finish it, and then it's ready to be served.